Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. So we're kind of back with Rivet now. I think that's Rivet. Looks like Rivet. Last video we finished up on Savali, getting almost all the collectibles out there. We missed a golden bolt, but from what I understand, you can't get the golden bolt till you have to go back to Savali. We only have 9 golden bolts of 25, huh? So that's not bad. If I remember, there was one somewhere on the debris field still. Well, actually, on the debris field, I think a lot of the collectibles are you have to complete arena battles for the collectibles there. Just not that interested in it. What else we got here? What's this? Did we not listen to this? Guess not.
Savali is home to a handful of monks that reside in the ruins of an ancient Lombax outpost. It is rumored they are the descendants of Bogon Galaxy pilgrims who chose to devote themselves to dimensional knowledge and revitalizing yoga rather than bodybuilding and bounty hunting like the other members of their species. With the Lombaxes long gone, they are also the keepers of their most treasured secrets, such as advanced knowledge of dimensionality and a really good Snivelakian bean hummus recipe. Ooh!
That sounds like the same voice as the vendor's bot. Okay, so now we are... I don't know, I forgot. We are searching for phase quartz. I guess we're going this. Whoa. Oh, and we have
Now that was exhilarating.
Is this phase quartz?
There is a substance called Blizar. Try using your hammer on it. The Blizar appears to have stored energy from the dimensional rifts.
Okay.
Another dimension.
That's weird.
Is this your Blizar?
No, but we can find intact phase quartz here. We should seek out the miners.
Swap dimensions, so I can swap dimensions. Okay, so now I'm not... Okay. Alright, this is really crazy.
Indigenous creatures detected.
Uh-oh.
Lockdown initiated.
Facility lockdown. Oh, that cannot be good.
Let's worry about the toxic crabs first.
Toxic crabs, huh? Where's the electric gun? Here it is. That's what we want to do.
What was that?
Seismic activity. Perhaps caused by the crumbling barriers between dimensions.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Alright, so I got toxic crabs to deal with here, eh? What I need, I think... Let's do something here. I need to put my enforcer on somewhere. Where's a good place to put the enforcer? Oops, nope. Put that back the way it was. I keep switching the wrong button. I want the enforcer. Where's the enforcer? Let's put the enforcer down the bottom here. The enforcer is good for close combat. What's this? Ammo? Megatron glider ammo. That's good to have. Get some health. Okay. Alright, now what kind of a map do we have? Okay, it's a little bit different.
Damage warning. Safety lockdown engaged.
We need to reach the other side of that window to activate the lockdown release.
Another dimensional thing?
Yes, the instability is worsening. Probably why mining operations are offline.
Okay. So that means I have to whack the stone again. Here's the girl. We could buy stuff from her, I guess. What do we got? Come on.
Pleasure to see you.
Here we go.
Take your time, sweetie.
Ammo and health refill for 12 bolts. Sure, we'll do that. Doesn't cost that much. What else we got? The Glove of Doom. Oh, the Glove of Doom sounds like fun. And Cold Snap.
I'll let you know when I get these in.
Okay, let me know. We're not gonna upgrade just yet. Got 11.
Happy to help.
Oh wait, there was one I wanted to upgrade. Which one was it?
Enhancements?
Let's see.
Incoming.
Not this one. The Drill Hound? We haven't done anything with the Drill Hound yet, have we? There was one that, was it this one? The Blast Pistol? We got, we can get the next golden round on the Blast Pistol, can't we? What does that do over here? Shots travel faster. Okay. A Megatron Collider. A Lightning Rod. I thought there was one that I wanted to... A Shatter Bomb. What does these golden ones do here? Shards detonate after a moment, dealing secondary damage. That was it. It was on the Enforcer that does that. But I've already got that. Right, the Enforcer does secondary damage. What the hell? That's not it either. Which one was it? The Drill Hound? The Shatter Bomb. Lightning. Alright, well, let's put the Shatter Bomb. Let's do this one then. Okay.
Oh, my stars! That is a good one!
Secondary damage. Okay. And I now have 8 bombs. No, I don't have 8 bombs. I still only have 6 bombs. I wish there was a way to improve that. There doesn't seem to be, though. Fly through the air much faster. Okay. Take that one, too. And then this, with these up here, higher rate. Okay. I think everything else is good for now. Even though I haven't done the Drill Hound yet. There's increased Hound movement speed. Increase max ammo. See, that's what I want to do, is I want to increase the max ammo on the bomb. Increase the explosion radius. Sure. And we'll increase his travel speed, I guess. The Hound. We'll see how that works. We're going to leave it at that for now.
Go ahead, upgrade that.
Yeah, I haven't used it yet. It might be good on creatures, not robots. And what was the Mr. Fungi? What does Mr. Fungi need down here? What does this do? Toxic spore cloud. When Mr. Fungi leaves, he emits a toxic spore cloud. That sounds pretty cool. Flies faster. You've got to get a lot of these. Here, this is... Well, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get that, the spore cloud. What's this up here? Increase how many times Mr. Fungi can fire. That's pretty good too. Alright, we don't use Mr. Fungi a whole lot either, except by accident mostly. Alright, let's go to the blast pistol. We can upgrade this some more, which is a good weapon. What does this do? Shots travel faster. We might as well upgrade this 100%. Okay.
I do like the sight of that.
So that's level 5 now. That's upgraded. No, it's not upgraded 100% yet. What's over here? Rapid fire shots are more accurate. Oh, and we're done. Okay, we're good now.
Make sure to tell your friends now.
Alright, so we'll take all these bolts. Alright, so we gotta change the dimension again, I guess, huh? Because we have to... Oh, we change the dimension, and then we go through and we change it back. Okay, let's see.
Haven't you punished me enough? You stupid universe! No job, no phase quartz, no planet.
Uh-oh.
What else do you want, huh? My mind? Fine, take it!
If it helps, I just found out there's another dimension where Blizar's still intact.
Still intact. How do you... of course! Blizar! The
Blizar.
planet hasn't been destroyed yet.
Okay.
Who was that? Do you know what she was talking about?
She must be a survivor of whatever happened here.
All right, we need another Blizar crystal.
Alright, there's one in here. Except I thought I could get in there once I did that. How do I get in there? I thought once I did that I could go in. Oh, wait a minute, what's this over here? Need this. And we have to fire at these things. I don't want that. Let's use this one here. Okay. Alright, get that. Alright, so how do I get in there? Oops. Yeah, it says override the lockdown, but I can't go through this. Right? Okay. I thought if I did that, I could go through. Doesn't seem like it, though. Okay. Can't get in there. Override the lockdown. I don't think I want to go that way, do I? Doesn't say I do. It says I want to go over here. Oh, maybe I gotta go around. Aim at the mag surface to mag jump. See, now why did it not do that when I was at the other place? It didn't show me that little note there. Alright, mag jump. Wait a minute, aim at the mag surface. Oh, I gotta find a blue one. There we go. Oh, I have to mag jump the whole time? I hear enemies coming, I guess, huh? Can I just walk over this? I guess I can. So we're at 0 gravity. I gotta go over there, I guess. 0 gravity could be dangerous. Or it could be helpful.
Lombax located. Engaging. Come on.
Really?
Engage the safety immediately, Lombax. Got him. So how are we gonna get the phase quartz?
We should speak to a miner or engineer in the intact dimension.
Alright.
I need to find them. They need to know.
She's broadcasting to anyone who will listen.
This area is currently on lockdown. Please vacate the facility at your earliest and safest convenience.
Looks like a job for
And
Glitch.
have a blazing Blizar day.
Please,
Perhaps
these
we
are
can
they.
reset the lock.
Uh oh, there's crabs out there. So crabs require the enforcer. No, where's the enforcer? There. The enforcer. Okay, but we gotta do. I guess we gotta do a glitch thing. Looks like.
Aha! Got it.
Lockdown reset. Thank you, and have a safe
Head to the mining hub. Hi, where's the crab?
day.
I saw him out here. There he is. So, can I go to the, I can't go that way. Okay, I was gonna say, can I go buy some stuff, but I can't, because I can't get through this, because it's blocked. So there's no way back over there for now. That's fine. Oh, wait. Good. Exploring is good. Alright, we gotta go. Okay, so there's no... It's interesting. In the other dimension, there's a magnetic walkway here, but there's not one here. Alright, let's go. Alright. Crabs. Where are crabs? They must be underground. So they're going to do pop-ups on me, huh? Enforcer ammo. What's this? Oh, just stuff to grab. Alright, let's look around here a little bit. There's something this direction. Lava. But there appears to be... There appears to be a way up there.
Across the lava, a mining platform.
Kind of busy right now, Bolt. Lava pop points are kind of cute when they're not trying to gnaw your ankles.
Which is never.
Crowd control. I'm out of ammo already, huh? That didn't take long.
Nicely handled. Now we should get up to the ridge.
Ridge. Okay, that way. But I want to go up here because I always want to go where I'm not supposed to go. But I don't see a way up there. Well, I guess this way is the way. The ridge, that's over there, but there is something behind me here. And I can't get there because it's lava. Yeah, lava looks bad. Alright, so we can't get there right at the moment. At some point there might be a way up there. Well. No. Alright, let's go this way, I guess. Alright, where am I going to get ambushed? Oh, wait, there's some way to go that way. Okay. Okay, that's hot, eh?
Any guesses on who that person was in my dimension?
Oh, there's a bolt.
Stranger?
I encountered no one like that in my dimensions, Blizar.
Okay, does it show up on my map yet? Not yet. Let's see what kind of destruction we get here, eh? Oh, the bolt's up there. Okay.
Nicely handled. Now we should get up to the ridge.
Yeah, hang on a second. We're busy.
This should be of use.
Yeah, I ain't figured out what use they are yet, but just collecting bolts here. Alright. That covers this area, so let's go back this way. Okay, where's the next attack coming from? Oh man, there's some materials out there too. That must be... Let's see. That's this area here, I'm guessing. But I can't get out there from here. I have to go around somehow, eh? All the way around here, it looks like. Somehow. Because I've cleared this area out. Yeah, this is... Oh, wait, it is still there. Okay, hang on. I don't like missing stuff if I don't have to. Okay. Missed all this stuff. Alright, let's see. I'm guessing that... Yeah, it's somewhere here, eh? Oh yeah, it's right there, but how do I get there from here?
Nicely handled. Now we should get up to the ridge.
Shut up. Clank. Yeah, I can't go this way. Can I go this way? Looks like I can. Okay, now we got a couple of them here. That's good. Ooh, 4. Nice. Okay, so good thing I saw that. Alright, we're on the road again. Which way we go? We're going this way. Ah, really? Okay, so that's very dangerous. Come on. Alright, which weapons do I have that might be good for these guys? Let's try the topiary sprinkler and see what happens. Let's put that... Let me see, my enforcer doesn't have any more ammo. Let's put that where the enforcer is, down here. And see what happens. Huh. I don't know.
Now's having fun even when he doesn't want to. The fun never stops.
Oh, that ain't what I wanted. How come that guy went out there? I thought it was the one I had hooked up. Okay, well I didn't get a chance to use it this time then. Wait a minute. I see. Okay, let's do this again. I punched the wrong button again. Where's the sprinkler at? There we go. Let's put the sprinkler down here. There we go. But now, I wasted my opportunity to see how it worked. Go away.
I hate you all.
Bro, where are we? Who cares? Grab the lawn back!
All right.
More goons for less.
Most elite division.
Really?
I need my shock weapon here. Let's put him right here. Oh. So they got some new kind of weapon, huh?
Honestly, kind of cute. Room goons might be elite, but not as elite as us.
All right, ammo. topiary sprinkler. I didn't really see if it did anything. Not to those guys. I think it needs to do the ground attacks. What else we got here? Let's grab as much as we can. Alright, so let's yeah, I don't know how to use a sprinkler. That's a little bit tough. Alright, let's not mess things up. Let's put the shot guy over here. And we want to put the shatter bomb right there. Ooh, the shatter bomb did go up. It has 8 now. Okay, well that's good. Really? That's weird. Okay. If these don't break, they just go flying. Alright. Okay. Where am I going? This way? Head to the mining hub. I guess this is a bridge that moves.
Please keep your hands and feet inside and avoid the insta-death lava bubbling all around you.
Yeah, where it's insta-death, alright.
And have a blazing Blizar day.
Thanks for the help, Bolts. Not really used to it.
We will need a way to mine the phase quartz.
He calls her bolts. Okay.
Perhaps the giant drill.
Let's find someone who can point us to it.
A giant drill. Let's see, there is also a optional mission in here. Find the missing chef. That's up here somewhere. Okay, we can maybe do that. Let's see. Let's call this a video right here. This is probably a good place to stop. And we'll be right back here. So, if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.